feeding time. When they think food is coming, they all come out. See, everything here lives in harmony. All my horses are used to all kinds of animals, all kinds of things. That's how it is. That's what makes for a non-spooky horse. I'm waiting for them to settle down on one side so I can get out with the feed on the other and I don't get trampled. There's old blind in one eye horse. She's leaving Thursday or Wednesday, I think. There they are. Everybody comes over here because I came to feed the goats. And the ducks. See the little ducks? I just let ducks run free out here. They get in some of the water troughs, but they eat bugs. So I like them. I wanted to catch that donkey yee-hawing, but I missed it on my tape. Oh, here he goes. Not doing it good, though. He was making a big ruckus a minute ago.